Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Federal lawmakers, state governors, ministers, and traditional rulers were among dignitaries present when President Muhammadu Buhari arrived at the venue for the flag-off exercise. The president says his administration will continue to support development of the rail transportation subsector, considering its wide range of potentials.
Yet another milestone in the drive of this administration to revitalize the railway system, establish it as a choice mode of transportation for both passengers and freight, and position it as a transportation backbone that can transform industrial and economic activity in the country.
The Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge rail line covers three southwestern states of Lagos, Ogun, and Oyo. The Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu and the Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amechi offer appraisal of the project.
Our three states have benefited greatly. Lagos continues to be home to the flagship station on this line, where we're seated, my predecessor, Mobolaji Johnson station, which is here on this ground. Ogun State has the iconic railway wagon assembly plant in Kajola, and Oyo State is home to an inland dry port that will help decongest the Apapa port.
All of us who will use this track now and in the future are grateful for your support and your determination, even against criticism of the fact that we're taking loans to build this. You are determined to complete this project. We will leave from here, Mr. President, and move by the end of the month to Kano Kaduna.
The over $1.53 billion project, which began in 2017, was scheduled for completion in 3 years, but readjustments on the initial plan, especially the connection of the Apapa port, the effects of the coronavirus, and other factors, altered the timeline.